Ano yan? Ano yan? Is that a toy? Huh? Huh? Ano yan? Lagot tayo dyan, ba't kayo umakyat dyan?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me love. You don't ever wanna set me free.
It's another pickleball vid. Guys, help me. Kinakabahan ako. Talo yung dalawang game ko. Pero lalaban kasi nakakaya naman kay Tito CK.
This was one of the best games we had.
Ay. No! The best venue, I think. Huh?
The competition is strong, but
So we have to level up our game.
we already leveled.
I will level up my game. Papatalo ako. Ano ba yun? Pabuhat. Kakainis. But the girls are playing. Support natin sila. Go on! Is my doubles partner later. And is CK's doubles partner. Jin's partner. Hi! Nice one! Nice one, Jin! Also playing with the oils. Let's go! Yeah. Nice one, Jin! Ha? Bakit?
Sanay akong kabahan. I'm called Mr. Kaba.
No, ako din. Pag naglalaro na. Hindi ganyan yung game ko.
Pag tournament, I know you.
Okay, thank you, CK. I needed that. This is it. This is it, Podium Games. This is for our final... Ah? Meron ako, ayan. Pinalitan ko lang na memory
Hey
card.
guys, welcome to our... Welcome.
Yes? Kaya pa ba? The cheerleaders. Oh. Ay. Let's go!
Go Ed.
First half ng pickleball weekend kasi hindi pa dito natatapos, di ba? Ga-addict. Ganda ng courts. Pickleball Central. Oh, loted. Congrats, CK! Congrats, Jean!
I deserve better.
Yes!
Ano score nyo?
Congrats, Ann!
7 or 850.
Saan? After ng laro, Lamon. Saan? Harashaimase. Ay. Foreigner.
Sarap yan. Hindi ko alam tawag pero masarap.
Hindi.
Ito ganda. Hungry.
Oh my God. So cute. Ano, Mi? Oh! Yeah. Sana nag-costume tayo. Oh my God, you guys look so cool. Oh! Kala.
Bago pa tuluyang malowbag, first time kong magkaroon ng award sa pickleball. Nanalo ako ito. May loot bag. And ano siya? Parang beauty products.
Kasi?
Sobrang dami kasi.
Miss Beautiful Pickleballer ka?
Beautiful face.
Oh.
Pero thanks. Good morning.
What a day. Sobrang nakakapagod maglaro ng pickleball the whole day. The whole night. And syempre, hindi natin pwedeng takasan yung responsibility natin sa dogs. So, as much as I would like to make contents or upload contents every week, hindi ko siya masyadong na-edit kasi pickleball ako ng pickleball at hindi ako nakakagala. Dahil nag-aalaga tayo ng mga aso. So I'm so happy that this week nakapaglaro tayo outside of Metro Manila. And nadala pa natin yung aso. Thanks to Sanders Transient. Pumayag magdala ng aso. Usually yung mga pet friendly, napapadala lang ng isang house pet, dalawa, pero pag tatlo, medyo umaayaw na. But here, they are very welcome. And this is why I like staying in Airbnbs, because you can do the things you do sa bahay na nagagawa mo rin dito. In hotels and other accommodations, syempre, hindi ka na nakakapaghugas ng kainan ng aso. Or worst, hindi mo talaga sila madadala. And prepare lang natin na maganda dito kasi kompleto. May microwave, pwede natin initan yung food nila. And nagdala kami ng kanilang favorite sawdust. So, prepare ko lang yung food. Pakita ko sa inyo yung place. Tapos may mangyayari pa today for sure. Wait lang. Wait lang. Oh, wait lang. Hungry? So this is our Airbnb for the weekend. Sobrang ganda kasi though it's a budget Airbnb, hindi ko na feel na sobrang na-compensate yung pagstay namin kasi the rooms are fully air-conditioned. 1,500 na tong buong place for 2. And then if you have additional guests, that's 300 pesos. Oh, diba? Ingay ng dogs kung kailan nagbablog. Additional 300 pesos. So imagine, the other unit, yung friends natin na kasama natin sa pickleball, sina Brian, Mia, Ann, CK, Oyis. They stayed at the other... Huh? And Mai. Hindi kasi nag-stay din si Mai. But they stayed at the other unit sa Sanders Transient. And they only paid 2,400 for all of them. Lima sila, diba? Not bad. Dito naman, 1,500 plus 300, 1,800. Both rooms air-conditioned. And aircon. Papakita na, kamaingat. Ito na naman, nag-iingay na naman eh. Hindi, lang. Tingnan mo naman yung pets. Kung saan nakapwesto. Diba? Oh.
Nagkakalat pa naman.
Nagkakalat pa. And, since naglaro kami ng pickleball the whole day, feeling ko, sinira yung bola para hindi kami pickleball today. Bit niya pa sa labas. And maganda dito kasi merong porch. So, gated yung porch. Pag dala kayong dogs, ha? May ano ba? Gate?
Garage. May
garage. Look! 1,500 guys. Kompleto na. May sala, may kitchen, may table. Yung kitchen fully equipped. May microwave. Hindi ko nga alam kung pwede maglaba dito eh. Actually, I'm so tempted to wash our clothes na pinaglaruan kahapon. Na napagpawisan natin kahapon. Pero I think we don't have enough time. It's a one whole house, pero it can accommodate up to 10 people, 10 packs. Without compromising the comfort. Kasi yun nga ang pinanglalaban dito sa Airbnb na to. The comfort. Ay, may nagbibihis. Mamaya na lang. Pakita natin yung rooms. Kung paano kayo magkakasya. Kasi baka sabihin nyo, paano sila magkakasya dyan? Ru, come here! So this is the rooms. Ito yung first bedroom na may kasamang CR. Sorry, diba? 1,500. May CR ka na sa baba. May CR ka pa sa taas. Toilet and bath. Meron pang heater. So ito yung isang room. Not sure if this is... Oh, queen bed. And then, split type air condition. Then, may pull-out bed. In case, marami nga kayo. So, this can sleep up to 3 or 4 for maximum comfort. And then, the other room. This room, meron na dito, ilan to? 4 din. 4. And then, cabinet. Actually, mas malaki tong room na to. Wala lang siyang bathroom. Pero, sold na din. Kasi nasa kabilang room lang naman yung bathroom. And nasa baba din may bathroom. Look. The dogs na mga feeling. So, laging may aircon. Ha? Happy? Is this approved? Pet-friendly approved, bro? Huh? Pet-friendly approved? Bro? Yes or no? Approved? Huh? Approved ba? Approved daw. Very good. Show you. Happy. Show you, come here. Are you ganging up on Ru? Huh? Let's sing.
Here's your order, sir.
Bago ra ka dali, Doy? Bago ka lang dito?
Bago lang.
Ha?
Bago lang.
Ilang months ka na dito, Doy? 3 months? Pero, ayan o. Pero, tanggalin mo naman yung luto sa ano mo. Yung kamay mo na may kanin. Wala na. Hold up. Sir?
May special opening.
Huh?
Opening special.
Yeah, opening special, buy one, get one.
Oy,
Beware!
be aware.
Beware!
Ay.
Huh? One nakakataing drink, virgin. One nakakataing drink, virgin. Uy! Hello! Hello! Mark safe sa budol!
Bro, sit.
Walang slices. Goodbye. Bagsak ang mga gala. Tulog na tulog. Ano? 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 Parang nagsisisi ka. Ano?